According to a recent study conducted by Families for Better Care, an independent nursing home advocacy group, Indiana ranks almost dead last in the United States for quality of nursing home care. 1 in 4 Indiana nursing homes have been cited for severe care deficiencies and neglect of residents. Hi, I'm Dave Farnbaugh. Our law firm has been specializing in handling nursing home abuse and neglect cases for more than 20 years. The purpose of this brief video is to acquaint you with some of the laws that govern nursing homes and to tell you about the steps that are involved in asserting a legal claim against a nursing home. The nursing home industry is one of the most heavily regulated industries in the United States. Because the vast majority of funding for nursing home care comes from your tax dollars in the form of Medicaid and Medicare payments, nursing homes are required to abide by a myriad of both state and federal regulations that govern all aspects of nursing home care. State nursing home inspectors, called surveyors, periodically pay a visit to nursing homes to investigate whether nursing homes are complying with nursing home regulations. Unfortunately, there are far too many nursing homes and not enough nursing home inspectors to keep residents safe. Every year in Indiana, there are thousands of nursing home residents that suffer serious injury and even death as a result of abuse and neglect in nursing homes. Over the years, we have learned that the vast majority of these injuries and deaths are caused by understaffing in nursing homes or inadequate training of nursing home staff. The first step is to contact a lawyer who is experienced in bringing legal claims against nursing homes. The next step is to gather and analyze all the nursing home records and hospital records in connection with the resident's injury or death. If the Indiana Department of Health has conducted an investigation of the resident's injury or death, those records must be analyzed as well. At our office, we utilize nursing experts who are knowledgeable and experienced in both clinical nursing and the rules and regulations that govern the delivery of care in nursing homes. Our nursing experts comb through the medical records and determine whether the nursing home has complied with federal and state regulations as well as the nursing standards of care. If we determine that the nursing home regulations were violated, the next step is to file a lawsuit against the facility. Filing a lawsuit enables us to obtain important documents from the corporation that owns the nursing home about the staffing levels in the nursing home and take sworn depositions from the nursing home staff and administrators. Once the process of gathering evidence has been completed, the case is usually referred for a process called mediation to try to settle the case before it reaches a trial. If the parties are unable to reach a settlement, the case would proceed to a trial, where a jury would decide whether the nursing home is negligent and the amount of damages that the resident or the resident's family is entitled to recover. Our office handles a wide variety of claims against nursing homes. We handle cases where the nursing home staff fails to provide proper skin care to a bedbound resident and the resident develops pressure sores or pressure ulcers. We handle cases where the nursing home staff fails to implement appropriate measures to prevent falls. We handle cases where the nursing home staff fails to provide a resident with sufficient nutrition or hydration, causing the resident's hospitalization or death. We handle cases where the nursing home fails to take proper precautions to prevent serious infections. We handle cases where the nursing home staff is abusive to residents. We handle cases where the nursing home staff fails to give a resident necessary medication or injures a patient due to a medication error. When families contact our office about an injury or death of a loved one in a nursing home, they usually have 2 questions that they want answers to. They want to know how the injury occurred, and they want to know why it happened. We do our best to uncover all the facts so that a family can have answers about what happened to their loved one in the nursing home and whether the injury or death could have been prevented. If your loved one was injured in a nursing home and you have questions about whether your loved one received proper care in a nursing home, call our office now to schedule an appointment. Remember, it doesn't cost you anything to meet with one of our attorneys to discuss your case, and you will never be charged anything unless we make a recovery from the nursing home or their insurance company.